Crude oil, long-term forecast for the week of April 1st, fxempire.com. Looking at the light sweet crude market, you can see that we had a strong showing over the last week as we came up from the 94 level and slammed into the 97 level, actually closing just below 97 and a half. When you look at this chart from a longer term perspective, you can make a bit of an argument for a symmetrical triangle trying to form. And as a result, we think that we could continue to tighten up for a while. However, we would consider it broken out to the upside if we could close above the $99 level. If we do that, we really think that there's not a whole lot stopping this market from going much higher. The candle is very suggestive of real strength, so it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. But we think with a little bit of patience, we could get a very clear and significant signal in the light sweet crude market. Alternately, though, we could pull back as low as 90 before really worrying about breaking out to the downside. We could be winding up for a bigger move in one direction or the other, and right now we'd have to say the upside looks more likely, or we may just simply tighten up and just find a range for the spring and summer months. Going over to the Brent market, you can see that we had a much stronger week over here just simply because there's really not a lot of doubt. Just straight up and closed just a few cents above the 110 level and just a few cents off of the highs. Right now, we look at this market as being contained by 111, and if we can get above that level, there's really nothing that we can see on the longer term charts that keeps us from going all the way to 117. Going forward, we like that trade, but we have to get above 111 on a weekly close in order to be involved.